Big Brother 27 has reached a crucial turning point as Week 10 has officially begun, and the latest head of household competition has already shaken up the game in ways no one expected. Fans of the long-running CBS reality competition know that every hoe holds power, but at this stage in the season, when the jury house is filling up and the final weeks are just around the corner, the hoe win could define the trajectory of the endgame. With tensions at an all-time high, shifting alliances, and hidden agendas surfacing, the results of the Week 10 head of household competition are sending shockwaves throughout the fandom. Warning: spoilers ahead for those who want to wait until the episode airs, because the live feeds have already revealed the new hoe, and the implications are massive for the remaining house guests. The competition for Week 10 was a classic endurance battle that demanded focus, strength, and mental resilience. After a season filled with dramatic blindsides, heated fights, and unexpected betrayals, the remaining house guests were desperate to secure safety and power. Every single player knew this competition could make or break their chances of making it to finale night. For viewers watching the feeds, the suspense was almost unbearable as the players clung to their stations, fighting through exhaustion, slippery surfaces, and the pressure of knowing their entire game was on the line. The final moments of the competition were nothing short of jaw-dropping, as two of the season's biggest personalities fought neck and neck, refusing to give up even when their bodies were clearly pushed to the limit. In the end, the victory went to none other than one of the season's most talked about players, whose journey in the house has been filled with ups, downs, and fiery confrontations. Their win in Week 10 is not just another hoe title. It's a game-defining moment that puts them back in control after weeks of being on the defensive. This house guest has been a lightning rod all season long, managing to survive the block, navigate through tense eviction nights, and somehow keep their allies loyal despite multiple temptations to flip. Now, with the hookey around their neck, they have the power to reshape the house in their favor while striking back at rivals who have been gunning for them. For fans who have been following every twist and turn of Big Brother 27, this hoe result is already sparking debate about strategy and loyalty. The big question now is who will end up on the block. At this stage of the game, there is no room for safe moves. Every decision is critical, and nominating the wrong person could cost someone their shot at the $750,000 grand prize. The new hoe has made it clear in whispers and conversations on the feeds that they are tired of playing defense and want to take out a major threat. That means we are likely heading into one of the most explosive weeks of the season, with alliances fracturing and trust eroding faster than ever before. The jury house will also be watching closely, and this move could heavily influence how the final votes shake out. Jury management is often overlooked until the endgame, but every eviction now is not just about removing a competitor. It's about crafting the right argument for finale night. The new hoe will need to balance making a bold move that strengthens their path to the final two with ensuring they don't alienate too many jury members in the process. Fans on social media are already divided about whether this hoe should target their biggest rival immediately or keep them around as a shield. Some argue that striking while the iron is hot is the only way to survive, while others think the smart move would be to sit back and let other targets remain in the house as bigger threats. What makes this week even more intense is that the power structure in the house has shifted dramatically. Early season alliances that once looked unbreakable are now crumbling under the weight of paranoia and desperation. Several floaters who managed to stay under the radar are suddenly being talked about as potential finalists, which is frustrating the bigger competitors who feel they've carried the season on their shoulders. The Week 10 hoe has a chance to reset the narrative by going after a floater or by making a big move that leaves a lasting impression. Either way, the entire house is scrambling, and whispers of betrayal are filling every corner of the Big Brother house. For the live feed fans, the real drama isn't just in who is nominated but in the aftermath of the hoe reveal. The shock on certain house guests' faces was priceless when they realized who had won. Some immediately tried to cozy up to the new hoe, while others retreated into corners, venting their frustration and plotting revenge. It's classic Big Brother at its finest, shifting allegiances, paranoia through the roof, and everyone trying to rewrite history to make sure they stay off the block. Every conversation now is loaded with strategy, and every word could be used later as ammunition. As the nominations approach, speculation is running wild. The obvious targets are the players who have been openly gunning for the Ho for weeks, but there's also a chance for a surprise backdoor plan. The new Ho is savvy enough to know that shocking the house with a big move could send a message. ND change the trajectory of the season entirely. At the same time, making a flashy move can also make them the next big target, and with so few weeks left, one wrong step could end their game in an instant. Fans of Big Brother know that Week 10 is often where the legends are made. It's the stage of the game where only the strongest survive, and where every competition win, every alliance, and every whisper could define the path to finale night. This season has already been full of unexpected twists, explosive fights, and emotional breakdowns, but Week 10 is shaping up to be the climax. The Ho results guarantee that no one is safe, and that fans are in for another week of must-watch television. Social media is exploding with reactions, as hashtags related to Big Brother 27 are trending, and fan theories are circulating about who will be nominated and whether a backdoor plan will be executed. Some viewers are thrilled with the new HOH's victory, calling it the redemption arc they've been waiting for, while others are groaning, worried that their favorite player is about to be evicted. That unpredictability is exactly what makes Big Brother such a beloved summer tradition. The live feeds promise a week filled with scheming, backstabbing, and jaw-dropping conversations as the house guest maneuver for safety and survival. Looking ahead, the veto competition will become even more crucial than ever before. No matter who the Ho nominates, the veto winner could completely flip the script, forcing new alliances and betraying old ones. The veto ceremony is almost guaranteed to be dramatic, and viewers will be glued to their screens to see if the Week 10 HOH gets their way or if the game once again spins out of control. At this point, every eviction matters. The jury is watching, the fans are watching, and the house guests themselves are walking on a tightrope between trust and betrayal. Week 10 of Big Brother 27 is set to be one of the most dramatic yet, and the new Ho results ensure that no one's game is safe. Fans will have to keep watching to see whether this bold new power move will define the season's narrative or whether it will end up being the fatal mistake that sends the Ho to jury next week. One thing is certain, Big Brother 27 is not slowing down. The Week 10 HOH results have guaranteed another rollercoaster ride for fans, with nominations, veto, and eviction night promising more twists than anyone could have imagined. With the finale just weeks away, the stakes couldn't be higher, and every move matters. Stay tuned, because the Big Brother house is about to explode with drama, and this Ho win might go down as one of the most memorable in the show's history. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond Big Brother YouTube channel for more update news.